Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now it was announced recently that this highway will be finished in March of 2027. March 2027. Now this road started in 2017 and it was to end in March 2025. Now this road has many, it's a long road from Harborview to Portland, 110 kilometers, and then 26 kilometers from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley in St. Thomas. So it is a big project. Now, one of the reasons why this project is delayed is because they use local contractors on the highway, and it led to problem after problem after problem. But the good thing is China Harbour Engineering Company is now doing the work on all the segments. It was split up into 10 segments. So this section that we're driving on is the nicest part of the highway. This is a section from Harborview to Albion. As you can see, 4 lanes, dual carriageway. This is the kind of road you find in a first world country. And the other roads like this, most of them are toll roads, but this road is not a toll road, which is very good. And you can see this road has street lights. The toll roads, they don't have street lights. Alright, so this road takes you from Harborview to Albion. We're actually going through Bull Bay now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this and the March 2027 completion date. Now that date seems realistic. When this road was being built, they had some really unrealistic deadlines, but March 2027 sounds very realistic for the entire project to finish. Okay, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is one of Jamaica's most significant infrastructure projects aimed at enhancing the road network along the southern coast. With a new completion target of March 2027, the project has received an additional $2.5 billion allocation for the 2025-26 fiscal year as outlined in the Estimates of Expenditure tabled by Finance and Public Service Minister Favour Williams. The breakdown of the $2.5 billion allocation, the budgeted $2.5 billion for the upcoming fiscal year will be distributed as follows. $125 million for goods and services, $475 million for land acquisition, $1.9 billion for fixed assets, which are capital goods. These funds will primarily be used for water line and roadworks, land acquisition, and the relocation of outstanding Jamaica Public Service utility poles. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is designed to improve the alignment and capacity of the existing Southern Coastal Road, making it safer, more efficient, and less prone to flooding, while also supporting future economic development. The project is divided into several parts. Part A, which was the Maypen to Williamsfield Highway, that section is completed. Part B includes multiple sections with significant progress made from Harborview to Albion and Yallow's Bridge, largely completed. That's the section we're driving on now. Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio, 95% complete, and Morant Bay to Cedar Valley, where you have ongoing rehabilitation. A 16-kilometer stretch from Harborview to Yallow's Bridge featuring 4 lanes with shoulders from Harborview to Albion, and 1.5 kilometers of 2 lanes with shoulders from Albion to Yallow's Bridge. Rehabilitation of 93 kilometers of main road from Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio. Refurbishment of 27.5 kilometers of main road from Morant Bay to Cedar Valley. Utility relocations and land acquisitions to support road expansion. Upon completion, the SCHIP is expected to significantly reduce travel times, improve connectivity, and boost economic opportunities in the region. The improved road infrastructure will benefit commuters, businesses, and the tourism sector, especially in areas like Port Antonio, which is a key destination for visitors. With substantial progress already made, the focus now shifts to finalizing land acquisitions, relocating remaining utility installations, and completing the last stretches of roadwork. If the project stays on track, the March 2027 completion date will mark the transformation of Jamaica's southern coastal road network, making travel safe and more efficient for generations to come. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. Now, I must say, this road will definitely reduce travel times, improve connectivity, and boost economic opportunities. Without a doubt, we are seeing it already. The Morant Bay Urban Center, the Sun Coast Beach Club. So there's another development taking place next door to the Morant Bay Urban Center. I don't remember the name of it now, but game changer for this side of the island. So although the road is delayed, it was worth it. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.